What is that? That is my bag. What is that? That is my bag. What happened? I'm sick. What happened? I am sick. What did he say? He said to calm down. What did he say? He said to calm down. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. What did you buy? I bought a cake. What did you buy? I bought a cake. What do you want? I want your bicycle. What do you want? I want your bicycle. What is going on? I'm watching mobile. What is going on? I'm watching mobile. Where are you? We are in US. Where are you? We are in US. Where are you? I'm at home. Where are you? I'm at home. When can we meet? We can meet now. When can we meet? We can meet now. Why are you crying? I'm lost. Why are you crying? I'm lost. Who is he? He's my teacher. Who is he? He is my teacher. Which one do you want? I want the red one. Which one do you want? I want the red one. Why do you lie? I was scared. Why do you lie? I was scared. Whose is this? It's mine. Whose is this? It's mine. Where is my book? It's in the library. Where is my book? It's in the library. Where did you go? I went to school. Where did you go? I went to school. Whose guitar is this? This is our guitar. Whose guitar is this? This is our guitar. Whose idea it is? It's my idea. Whose idea it is? It's my idea. When will they arrive? They will arrive by 6 p.m. When will they arrive? They will arrive by 6 p.m. Who is he? He's my dad. Who is he? He's my dad. Who broke this? My son broke this. Who broke this? My son broke this. Whose friend is he? He's my friend. Whose friend is he? He's my friend. Which is mine? This is yours. Which is mine? This is yours. Who stole the apple? John stole the apple. Who stole the apple? John stole the apple. Which is your pen? This is my pen. Which is your pen? This is my pen. Whose is this? It's mine. Whose is this? It's mine. When are you busy? I'm busy today. When are you busy? I'm busy today. Which is better? This is better. Which is better? This is better. Which is our car? This is our car. Which is our car? This is our car. How about tomorrow? Good idea. How about tomorrow? Good idea. How should I know? She told you. How should I know? She told you. How was your day? It was good. How was your day? It was good. Why are you late? Because I missed my bus. Why are you late? Because I missed my bus. Where is your book? It is in the bag. Where is your book? It is in the bag. How many books are there? There are 4 books. How many books are there? There are 4 books. Who are they? They are students. Who are they? They are students.